So guys, as you can see, no matter where you enter on this trade, you're still gonna lose because you just traded against the banks. So guys, before I continue this video guys, if you enjoy my videos, if you like my content, if you want to see me back test strategies and give you their real win rates and their profit potential guys, then you should do me the favor by just going down there and tap on this like button guys, you subscribe and you turn on notification guys. Then you click on this all section, this all right here, so you get notified of every single video I make. Let's get into this video. So what's up guys, it's your boy XO, and in today's video guys, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to trade with the big banks and not against the big banks. Or you can call them the banks, the big banks, the big ballers, the market movers guys. They are the ones who actually make the most money in this market. You cannot beat them in this game. Alright, so why beat them when you can join them? Right? If you can't beat them, if you can't beat them, join them. That's what people say. If you can't beat them, join them. So what we're going to be doing is joining them because we obviously can beat them. Alright, even if you have $100,000 in your account, you cannot beat them because they have billions of dollars to trade with. Alright, so guys, if you want to trade with the big banks and not against the big banks, keep watching and let me get straight into this video. If you're new to trading in the financial market, especially in the forex market, maybe you haven't heard of this word market manipulation, because that is when the big banks actually hunt new traders stops. Alright, so like for example, like if you took a trade here, alright, you took a trade at this point and maybe your stops were just below this point and your take profit target was just above this point. Alright, so one thing is right here, you can see the market actually, okay, let's say you took it here. As you can see, your stops actually got destroyed before the market moved in the same direction you predicted it to go to. And even if you took the trade even here, the stops still got destroyed and still went up to that point. So this is what they call the market manipulation. You see the strong, ridiculously strong wick destroying every single person's stop on this trade. Alright, it's rare to see that someone is still on this trade, except their stops is huge like this. I don't know if this is how some people trade, or if you trade, okay, except you trade on the higher time frame, then your stop is probably going to be bigger. But if you're on a 5 minute like this and you're trading like this, I doubt if your stop is going to be this big. Alright, so your stop is probably going to be down here, which is still got destroyed. Even if it's down below this structure here, it's still destroyed. So it is called a market manipulation guys, because the big banks destroyed every single person on this trade. Alright, so I'm going to be showing you guys how to trade with the market movers. Alright, so guys, one thing most traders don't know is that these big banks are actually trading against us. Alright, so what most traders like to do is they like to take trades based on basic support and resistance. Like if the market is up like this, they want to take a trade at this point. Alright, so this is where the market, the big banks actually come in to manipulate the market. Alright, if it's in a downtrend, they like to take trades like this. Alright, at this point. So this is where the big banks come in and destroy every single person's stop and then push the market back down where it's intended to go to. So guys, there's a lot of ways these big banks like to take traders' money, like destroying their stops. It's not just on just based on support and resistance. You can do things like a double top and double bottom, like you can see double top like this. So you can see guys, you can see something like double top like this. Now most traders would like to take a trade at this point, then the big banks will come and destroy them, taking their stops and killing every single liquidity. Liquidity is kind of the stop. Liquidity is another word for where the most money is in the market. So most likely if you're taking a trade for a double top, your stop is probably going to be above here. Then the big banks will come in and push the market up and take all your money and push the market down where you intended it to go to in the first place. There are many patterns where that the big banks like to manipulate, not just only support and resistance and double top. There are a host of patterns that these big banks know about, and they use that to their advantage, and they use that to capitalize on this newbie traders, and even some professional traders trade like this. A trader that trades the break and retest, you can obviously see that there is a support as a resistance turning into support at this point. So some traders would have taken this trade, like taking this trade, and the market comes back down and they're out of this trade. Alright, you can see. So let me show you what these big banks like to do. So let's say you took a trade, the market gets back to this point again, and you take a trade. Guys, look, no matter where your stop is, no matter where you decide to put your stop, you've still got taken out. Alright guys, so once it comes to the big banks, one thing I want to say is I want to introduce you guys to something called liquidity, guys. So in the forex market, there's something called liquidity, which means where most traders stops actually is. So like as at this point right here, you can see that this red line is where I think most likely most trader stop is going to be, like below this point, like below this support, this resistance turning support at this point. So most traders are looking to buy this market at this point, which means their stop is most likely going to be below this point, or at the maximum below this point. So guys, you can see that these big banks actually took out these guys. Like they destroyed every single stop below this. Like if your stop is at this, even if your stop is at this point, guys, you can see the market movers actually manipulated the market to fall down even further, and everybody's stops got destroyed at this point. So one thing I like to do is I like to come back and take a trade at the open of that market manipulation candlestick. Alright, so most likely I'm going to take a trade once the market moves a little bit up and comes back down to that same point. So you can see, guys, at this point I'm in this trade, and my stops will be just below that previous stops where those retail traders and those newbie traders actually left their stops at. So for the target, I'm actually looking to target these highs right here, and if you want to trail your stop, it's even better because you can actually cover up all these moves that the market actually made right here. So guys, I want you guys to share this video, guys. Share this video. It is very important, guys. Share it on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, Snapchat, Quora, Pinterest. Guys, share it to your friends. Just share this video, guys. Subscribe and turn on notification, guys. It's really important, absolutely important, guys. Let's grow this XO gang. Let's be a family. All right, so guys, show some love, support, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I hope you guys stay blessed and